Hello everyone, welcome back to the network base and the video series of the Meraki system manager. So in previous video we have learned how to bind a domain network into this dashboard. Now we will demonstrate and we will learn how to enroll devices in a device owner mode and work profile mode. Let's begin.
Now we are ready to add the devices. So there are two modes to adding the devices. First is a work profile and another is a device owner. So in work profile mode, work profile mode is basically used for the users who bring their own devices into the organization environment. So at that time you can create a work profile on their personal devices and can have the visibility to that to work profile only, if administrator wants to push some work related application into the end device, so he can so at that time we can use this work profile. So administrator has limited settings in this profile. So and during the enrollment can be done using this enrollment code or the QR code. So for this you have to install system manager application into the Android device, and then use this code. I will show you how to enroll this. So let's start with the procedure.
This is my personal phone and I have opened the Google Play Store into which I am searching for Meraki system manager, Meraki SM. Meraki SM, yes. So I have already installed it, so that's why it's showing me to open. I have opened this, getting started. So now the the code that is shown into the dashboard, that code we have to use over here. Strings needs hyphen as well. You can just click that above camera option, so it will open the pop-up to scan the QR code. Accept all this thing. It is creating a work profile into your end device. Let it be set up. Now you have to enable this package size info and device access, usage access. This is required because in order to work efficiently you have to give all the accesses. Just go back. Now it has been set up. Now you can see there are two container, personal and the work. So initially it was not there. When I enroll the device, the work profile has been created, configuration are showing enabled. So this is how work profile is used. So administrator have the access of that work profile only. That's it. Enrollment into the work profile is successful.
Okay, now the another mode is device owner mode. The device owner mode has the complete access of the administrator to the end devices. Okay, so in order to enroll end devices into the device owner mode, it is required to factory reset. It is mandatory to erase all the data. Okay, so there are two different enrollment process into the device mode as well. One is by using this AFW hash Meraki, It will ask once you factory reset the device and connect to the Wi-Fi, and then when it pop-ups to add your Gmail ID, at there you have to add AFW hash Meraki and proceed. It will ask you to install System Manager application, and once it is installed, you have to scan or use this code to enroll the device.
Since I cannot factory reset my personal device, that's why I'm using another device, Redmi Note 8 Pro, and doing factory reset on it. So let's start with the factory reset. Yep, next, and just wait for 10 seconds more. Just warning you to take a backup. Yep, okay, I have restarted. It will take some time to reset this device, so we have to hold. So device owner, administrator have fully access into the device, like adding application, overall settings, controlling all the features from the dashboard itself, doing the factory reset, creating geofencing policies. So it's like fully controlled into the administrator only. Now my device is rebooted and it is asking for setup. I have set up English, my region, accept terms and agreements. Proceed further. Now it will ask to connect the Wi-Fi. It is required to connect the Wi-Fi in order to proceed further. Now do next and do not copy anything because we need a fresh device. So now it is asking for the Gmail account, but we don't have to put any Gmail account. Instead we have to use that string which I have explained you earlier, AFW hash Meraki, and just uh, do next. It will check internally and will ask you to install system Meraki system manager. It is downloading now. It is asking to install. Accept terms and condition and proceed further. System manager is installed. Now accept all the access to this app. This is required. This should be enabled. Otherwise there may be some of the features will not work. Now it is asking for the enrollment process. So now I am using that barcode scanner. Sorry, barcode, no, it's not barcode, it is QR code. Into the device owner mode and bring this QR code. So instead we can use that number string as well, but it is the easiest way. Now it's enrolling into the device owner. It's enrolled successfully. Just go into the configuration and check. Install AFW account is not showing enabled. Need some time. Once the device is enrolled, you can see into the list. It can be seen. So we have successfully enrolled in both the modes of enrollment into the SM by using work profile as well as by using device owner mode. So that's it for today, guys. I hope it is informal to you, and I would like to thank you.